Hi, boys and girls. Write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with beginning sounds. Our first picture is a picture of a pot. Finger stretch. P-A-T, pot. The missing beginning sound is P. Please write P. P-A-T, pot. Our next picture is of a cop. Finger stretch. K-A-P, cop. Our first sound that we're missing is K. K-A-P, cop. Our next picture is a picture of a dog. Finger stretch. D-A-G, dog. Please write the missing beginning sound D. D. D-A-G, dog. Our next picture is of a mop. Finger stretch. M-A-P, mop. Please write the beginning sound. M. M-A-P, mop. Our next picture is of a box. B-A-X, box. Please write the missing sound B. I'm going to do the back first, then the belly. Box. B-A-X, box. Our next picture is of a rod. R-A-D, rod. Please write the beginning sound R. R-A-D, rod. Our next picture is of a little girl, and she is about to sob. Sob is another word for cry. Sob. S-A-B, sob. S-A-B, S-A-B, sob. Our next picture is jog. J-A-G, jog. Jog is a word for a slow run. Jog. J-A-G, J-A-G, jog. And our last word is of corn on the cob. Cob. K-A-B, cob. Please write the missing sound K. K-A-B, cob. Way to go, boys and girls. Turn your paper over. For this side of the worksheet, you will need 2 of your favorite colored crayons. Please take out 2 crayons. Our first word is caught. K-A-T, caught. I'm going to use a blue crayon. With your first crayon, please write caught. K-A-T, caught. With your second crayon, please write caught. Trace over your first. K-A-T, caught. Our next word is dot. D-A-T, dot. With your first crayon, please write dot. D-A-T, dot. With your second crayon, please trace dot. D-A-T, dot. Our next word is hop. H-A-P, hop. With your first crayon, please write hop. H-A-P, hop. With your second crayon, please trace hop. A-P, hop. Our next word is log. L-A-G, log. With your first crayon, please write log. O-A-G, log. With your second crayon, please trace log. O-A-G, log. Our next word is top. T-A-P, top. With your first crayon, please write top. T-A-P, top. With your second crayon, please trace top. T-A-P, top. Our next word is dog. D-A-G, dog. With your first crayon, please write dog. D-A-G, dog. With your second crayon, trace dog. D-A-G, dog. Our next word is got. G-A-T, got. With your first crayon, please write got. G-A-T, got. With your second crayon, please trace got. G-A-T, got. Our next word is jog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. With our first crayon, please write jog. J-O-G, jog. With your second crayon, please write jog. J-O-G, jog. Our next word is sod. Sod is another word for grass. Sod. S-O-D. Sod. With your first crayon, please write sod. S-O-D. Sod. With your second crayon, please write sod. S-O-D. Our last word is taught. T-O-T. Taught. Taught is another word for a baby. Taught. First crayon. T-O-T. Taught. Second crayon. Trace over taught. T-O-T. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today.